Hello everyone, welcome to Grey Pot. Today's recipe is a simple and sweet snack. So let's see how to make these sweet crepes with an Indian twist of Gulab Jamun filling. You can buy Gulab Jamun from shops, or if you want to make it, I have already uploaded an easy recipe of bread Gulab Jamun in my channel. Before starting the recipe, click the red subscribe button and click the bell icon to get all the new updates and new video notifications whenever I post it. Into a bowl, add in 3 eggs, whisk it, add 1 cup of all-purpose flour, whisk it really well till you get rid of all the lumps and the batter becomes really smooth. Now add some vegetable oil, add 1 cup of full fat milk, mix it, sprinkle some salt, mix it really well and keep it aside for 5 minutes. Now our crepe batter is ready. Heat a pan, add some butter and spread it. Now pour around half cup of crepe batter. Just twist the pan. Now just wait for 2 to 3 minutes. When it changes its color, slowly flip it. Cook both the sides on a medium flame and our crepe is ready. Make all the crepes in the same manner. You can store the crepe batter in refrigerator in an airtight container. Once you're done making all the crepes, let's do the filling. Here I have some whipped cream. Add the cream on one side of the crepe. Now take some Gulab Jamun pieces and add it on top of the cream. You can also crumble the Gulab Jamun and add it with the whipping cream and spread it. Just roll the crepe, add some more whipping cream and add a piece of Gulab Jamun on top. You can also make an open crepe with lots of filling. You can also try adding different Indian sweets to these crepes like rasgulla, rasmalai, even carrot halwa tastes really great. You can also try different seasonal fruits into these crepes. So do try out this recipe and leave your valuable comments and suggestions in the comment section below. Follow us on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter and Pinterest. Click the logo to subscribe to Grey Pot and watch more interesting and unique recipes from our channel. Thank you.